I remember a few months back asking you, how can we get inflation down without unemployment climbing? Well, I think this jobs report is just for you, sir. Can you tell me what's in this that you think makes it sustainable?
Well, I hope we continue the steady growth that we're seeing the unemployment number come down. I think we have room to grow in communities of color, particularly the black community, Latino community, get those numbers down a little bit. We've seen, wages are still year over year up 4.1%. We went down about 0.1%. I think we're in a very interesting economic time, and I don't think that a recovery that we're used to coming out of a recession or going into a recession is compatible to what we're experiencing today. So I hope we can continue to see these job numbers moving forward. We saw good gains in construction, hospitality, leisure, education, and health. Those areas in the last couple of months, we haven't seen the growth we've seen today. So we just want to see it across the board. I think companies realize it, too, that it's important for us to continue to move our economy forward. They're bringing people on, and we need to keep bringing inflationary pressures down.
It's not just the numbers today. It's the jobs numbers we've seen all week. The job openings numbers still elevated, the quicks rate elevated, indicating some confidence. I'm looking at this at the moment, Secretary Walsh. Then I listen to the tech companies who are making these massive layoffs. How do you distinguish between what's happening there and what you see in the official data?
Well, I think the tech companies are actually looking the way their business models are. They're looking at how the inflation rate impacts their business. And a lot of these folks that are being laid off in the tech industry are finding jobs in areas that, quite honestly, people are looking for tech experts all across the country. But these tech companies had gobbled up so much talent. Certainly, I would like to see short-term, in the near future, these tech companies rehiring folks back. We don't want to see any industry in the United States of America going through a process of laying large amounts of people off. We want to see them all being successful.